Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole. I have hooded eyes and I tend to do a lot of videos for my hooded eye boys and girls. But if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, I'm so excited because Lisa Eldridge launched her first makeup product, which was velvet lipsticks. I immediately ordered them and they just got here. So I ordered them on Saturday. Saturday, and today is Friday, and they shipped from London, so that's pretty quick shipping, and I cannot wait to try them. So we're gonna go ahead and get this party started. So here is what by the way, I ordered the set that comes with the makeup pouch and the 3 lipsticks. So before I get into this, if you guys don't know who Lisa Eldridge is, she's a celebrity makeup artist. She does YouTube videos, and she is just one of those people who I would absolutely love to meet sometime in my life. She does not do over-the-top makeup. She does stunning, just pretty makeup. That's how I can explain it. Today we live in a world of like Instagram makeup, and I mean, if you're on YouTube, I think you're probably pretty used to seeing these like crazy looks. No, Lisa Eldridge just does the most beautiful, and she'll do like an avant-garde look for sure, like if she's doing a shoot, but like most of her makeup and her tutorials on YouTube are just beauty makeup. And that is the world that I grew up in. That is the makeup that I did. I did bridal makeup when I learned how to do makeup. So that just really resonates with me, I guess. I just love her style. I love how she comes across on camera. She's so calm. And she is just one of the most knowledgeable people when it comes to makeup. I have her book, Face Paint. If you guys haven't looked into that book, look into that book. That's not like a how-to makeup look. It's more of like a history of makeup, a history of pigments, like how makeup was used in the past. It's just a really, really nice book. It's great for a coffee table. It's interesting, and I just love Lisa Eldridge. If you guys don't know who she is, please, I'll link her down below. Subscribe to her. You will learn so much from her videos. So anyways, this is what the packaging looks like. Oops, that's a little note that says Lisa Eldridge on it. Let me just pick it up off the floor. Alright, so the back says, "I'm so thrilled to be sending you my limited edition matte velvet lipstick. I hope you will love the sumptuous and delicate true velvet finish on the bullet and enjoy wearing the creamy, highly pigmented, and lightweight color on your lips. It's been a challenge to achieve the velvet effect." Like, wait until you guys see this if you haven't seen her video already. It truly looks like velvet. I can't wait to open it and see it with my eyes. She said, "I actually gave up at one point, but I'm so happy I got there in the end as I think it's really unique and magical. I'm sure you will get a lot of compliments when you're wearing your lipstick. I would love to see, so please send a picture, share a picture via Instagram or Facebook with hashtag Lisa Eldridge Makeup. I will be doing that. I've taken a lot of time to pack your lipsticks with extra cushiony care. With love, Lisa X." Like, that just gave me chills, because like that is just the type of person that Lisa seems like she is. Like I just love her. Please go watch her videos. I'm sure you'll feel the same. By the way, I do have a pimple on my lip. I'm sick, if you couldn't tell by this video, so I'm kind of like breaking out on my lip area, probably because I've been using these like Kleenex that have lotion in it, and I got scratched by my dog on the neck today, so it looked kind of funny. But anyway, this is definitely packed very full with this, whatever it is. And here is the bag that it comes in. It's a velvet bag. What a great little signature, an L with a lip. That is so perfect. I love lips. I love everything about lips. So this like is just the kind of packaging, if I ever came out with makeup, which I won't, is exactly what I would do. So, let's open it up. Again, it's packed very nicely. There's tissue in it that kept the form for the makeup bag itself. I'm definitely going to be using that makeup bag in my purse. And then you have, like I said, the tissue paper, and then the lipsticks are packed very well. Another little Lisa Eldridge, what looks like a business card. So these are all red lipsticks. Go watch her video. Pause my video right now. Go watch her video. She'll go in depth about all of these colors, why she came up with these colors, how she came up with these colors. Just go watch her video, and then you can come back to me and watch me apply these. So from what I remember, all of the undertones are different on these. So there's like a brick red, a true blue, red, and then maybe like more of a orangey undertone red. I can't quite remember, but there's Velvet Morning, and I'll flash up a picture of what that looks like, Velvet Jazz, and Velvet Ribbon. I'm actually gonna pull up her website so I don't misspeak as I talk about this. Okay, so Velvet Ribbon is a vibrant, universal, neutral blue red, and I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see. Again, it comes in another little tissue wrapping here. She really did secure these, and oh man, it feels so nice. It's heavy, but it's not like too heavy. I feel like the YSL lipsticks are a little bit heavier, if you guys are familiar with that, but it's definitely a nice weight. And here is, yeah, oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see on camera. It seriously looks like you have velvet fabric in a tube. Let me get really close and hope that you guys can see what that looks like. It truly looks like velvet, and just like Lisa says, this probably will not do it justice. In person, I've never seen a lipstick that looks like this, so that is really, really cool. I hope you guys could see that on camera. Like, oh my gosh, that's just amazing. That's so cool. So like I said, this is a vibrant, universal, neutral blue red. So this is one that's gonna really make your teeth look kind of white. And she says in her video that these are truly meant to be like one swipe. They're pigmented enough where you can just swipe and go, and you don't really need a liner with this. Of course, you can use a liner to kind of fix the shape if you wanted to. So I'm just gonna go in with it. It has a nice point, so I think I'll be able to kind of apply this without a problem. So here we go, Velvet Ribbon. So it's kind of hard for me to do this on my left side while holding this mirror and finish filming without making a mess out of the shape. So like, bear with me here as I do this. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely one swipe. If you can like get your shape right immediately, gorgeous. And such a beautiful finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the upper lip. Now obviously I'm going over the lines a few times because I'm trying to shape as I go here, and it's kind of difficult to get the shape in one swipe, and I'm trying to do that, so you'll see me kind of swiping. But if I could just go like that and get the shape right immediately, I can absolutely see this being a one swipe lipstick. All right, so I am not like the best at only using a lipstick to get a shape, but this color is a true beautiful, like it said, blue based red. Like, look at how light my teeth look with this lipstick. Like, such a great holiday color. She is so smart to come out with these at this time of year because it is the season to wear a red lip, you know what I mean? But so beautiful. This is so comfortable. Lightweight. I don't feel like I really have anything on my lips at all. So pigmented and very, very easy to go on. This is probably going to be one of my favorite colors. I love a blue based red. That's pretty much what I go for. So I'm just like, I love it. I love it so much. As you kind of go into it, like on the top of the bullet, the velvet kind of rubs off. I'm pretty sure she talks about that in her video as well. So like if I was to go like that, the velvet would rub off a little bit and smear. So I don't know if that's just an effect on the outside. By the way, this is how big, focus, 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 the lipstick tube is, so you can see, which is plenty because it is so pigmented, but just a stunning, stunning lip color. All right, so I've had this on for about 10 minutes. I popped off to take a couple of pictures for the thumbnail, and I'm just using a microfiber sponge to take, microfiber towel to take this off. And it's coming off so easy, and there's like no staining. I'm probably gonna irritate that beast of a pimple, but that's okay. So you could see how nice and easy that came off as well. I can't stand when I'm taking off a lipstick and it kind of leaves like chunks, so very nice. So let's go ahead and move on to the next shade here. So we'll go into Velvet Jazz. So Velvet Jazz is a muted earthy brick red. Again, it comes in the little plastic, not plastic, tissue words. It's Friday night. I'm kind of fading. My cat's gonna probably sneeze 18 times right now. So here is what Velvet Jazz looks like. I feel like you can really see the velvet with this one. Like, how cool is that, you guys? Just the coolest thing in the world. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this guy and I will show you what it looks like. Hey, I was putting on lipstick. I have half a face of lipstick on, so ignore me.
I don't judge, this is your home.
Sure. I just ordered salad and I answered the door like this. The guy probably thinks I'm crazy, but let's continue. Alright, so that is Velvet Jazz, and you can see it just gives me a little bit more of that like sexy red look. So pretty. Now, I'm not taking the ultimate time to make everything look perfect. I did go in and like fix it a little bit. This still makes my teeth look super, super white. I think all of these are going to actually. But you could go in and clean up around your lips. Like I totally would do that with a concealer if I was gonna leave this as is. And I'd probably line just so I could make sure that everything is perfect. But I just wanna give you guys the overall effect of how beautiful this looks. So yes, this one again is Velvet Jazz, just as stunning as Velvet Ribbon. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take this one off and go in with the final color, which is Velvet Morning. I think with this one, I'm gonna take a little more foundation and apply that a little bit around my face with a beauty blender because I like totally went over my Cupid's bow and changed up the shape of my lips. But really good to know with this stuff because it's so highly pigmented, you can really change the shape of your lips, which is awesome with a lipstick when you don't like see the line and look kind of funky, you know what I mean? My lips are just gonna love me after this. On top of being sick and having really dry lips, I'm like applying lipstick and then taking it off. But luckily, this lipstick is very light, very gentle. By the way, like I Alright, so Velvet Morning is a hot and fiery bright orange red. Now this is not my typical red that I would go in with, so I'm excited to have this in my collection and try it as well. So let's take that off. So pretty. I feel like this, it would be a go-to summer red for me. Oh, so pretty. And I really, really like that there's so many colors. So this is like with the different undertones. It is all inclusive. So whatever kind of red you like to wear, one of these will work for you. And you don't have to buy these in a pack. You can buy them separately. So let's go in with Velvet Morning and see how she looks. Alright, so again with this one I got a little wonky with my shade, but holy crap, I love this color. This is a color you wear and people ask you, where did you get that lipstick, what are you wearing? So I'm just going to take this NYX liner, this is in the shade orange, and I'm going to kind of refine a little bit. Okay, and this is Velvet Morning. When I've refined the shape, I made a little boo-boo up here and tried to fix it, but you guys get the feeling. This, like I said, is such a stunning orange-red shade. They're all so gorgeous, so comfortable, so pigmented. I swear you guys will absolutely love this. Go check out Lisa Eldridge. Go check out her website. Check out these lipsticks. I am so happy and I cannot wait to wear these to my holiday parties. They're just so pretty. I mean, everybody who knows her knows that she'd come out with some amazing products, and I cannot wait to see what she launches next. I will be first in line to pick it up. So I hope this video was helpful to some of you if you were looking for a red lipstick or you were on the fence about these. These are stunning. The makeup bag is so, so cute, and I can't wait to keep wearing these. So let me know if you guys have any questions below. As always, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.